If you want to draw on photos on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, first of all we need to open the gallery. Then we're gonna choose the photo on which we want to draw, and then we can press this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. In the basic category, we can find doodle option, where we can draw different lines. We can draw a straight line as well. Of course, we can choose a different color. We can draw rectangles, circles, and so much more. So feel free to check that out. Once you are done, press this check over here in the bottom right corner. In addition to that, we have the text tool where we can create a text. We can also go to create in order to use stickers. And we can also create a frame, as you can see over here. And that is pretty much it. Once you are done with your photo, we can simply press save over here in the top right corner, and that is it. The original photo will still be kept, and you should be able to find both versions, the unedited one, the original, and the edited. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!